right, listen closely. If you're watching this and you're not tapped into Tstackz.cash, you're literally leaving free money on the table. That's why I have the Rackz report. For any of y'all that are unsure about trading yet, I have a free email newsletter right here, which takes you to the Rackz report. And there you get weekly trade breakdowns, one sniper trade a week, real options, entries, and exit strategies, market psychology, and you also get first dibs on new VIP drops. No cost, no excuses, right? Like Christopher Richardson. Why would you not want to eat with us? Also, you will need a broker to start this process. You cannot trade without a broker, which is why I use Webull, the best trading broker in the entire world. Watch this. They got the best bid-ask spreads out of all the brokers you can choose from. They also have great user interface, and your field orders are extremely fast. And watch this. They're handing up to $3,500 in free stocks just for showing up. Use my link below. Now let's lock in and let's run it up. Tap in below.
Okay, we got a really simple but very critical technical analysis video today. You already know, man. It's T-Stackzrackz. We back at it again. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, did you make money on the drop? Either with puts, did you make money with calls and inverse indices? Let me know. You already know the group made money. You made hella bread. Actually, I want to shout out, one of my fellow Discord members, and she is actually a VIP member. And what that means, right? Exactly. When you're a VIP member, you don't just get my trade alerts. You get my trade alerts. You get my in-depth weekly watch lists, which I drop every Sunday. You get to watch me live in a video form. You can see exactly what I'm doing. You can ask some questions in the weekly webinar. You also get exclusive info and courses that the basic member want to get. And then most important of all, you get solo psychology sessions with me every week. Every week you get to get your mind broken down and alleviated. Because most traders don't know what they're doing. And even if they think they know what they're doing, eventually their faults will come out in the trade. Or, for example, maybe they're doom scrolling and they're not trusting their own system or process. And that's where I come in. I just make them feel secure, because they block out all the outside noise and they only attack what their problem is, and I solve it for them. And that's the biggest pro, honestly. It's not just the courses and extra trade ideas, and it's really just the opportunity to talk with me one-on-one and discuss how you can be a better trader and just overall person, businessman, woman, whatever. You just get the chance to talk to me one-on-one, and that is the biggest asset overall of VIP compared to a regular member. So I just want to shout out Chloe. Chloe's been in the Discord now for about 6 months, man. As you can see right here, she has been racking up, bro. Like, she still works her 9 to 5. She's an esthetician. For all y'all ladies out there, y'all definitely know what that is. For all y'all niggas, y'all might need to hit them up, because I know y'all don't be taking care of your hygiene, man. I'm just kidding, man. Just fuck with me, man. But Chloe, she's an esthetician. She still does her 9 to 5, because she genuinely does like it. But just the flexibility to communicate with me about trades she's in, or just going from a newbie to a pro in about 6 months, man. She has been racking up consistently, now averaging about 6,000 GBP a month, just swing trading, as well as making over 2,000 a month, referring people to my Discord using my affiliate link. And with that affiliate link, basically what happens is if anybody joins her link for my Discord, she literally gets $88 to her bank account. No bullshit. So she's averaging about 30 people a month, which is fucking insane. So I'm very proud of her. Very proud of where she came from. Not only just like from a training perspective, but like as a person, like her anxiety is like not even relevant or existent anymore. And she's just, just a better person overall. So I'm just very proud of Chloe, man. Uh, just don't be shy to ask questions. That's what we're here for. I'm here to help you become a better overall person, trader, husband, wife, whatever you need. And I'm just very proud of her, man. So she takes the lessons. She doesn't. She doesn't take what she learns and does something else. She does what I teach her and she puts into action. So I'm very proud of Chloe. But let's get on with the video. All right. So we're gonna start with SPY. Right. SPY and all indices are very close to all-time highs. SPY is about 4% from all-time highs. QQQ is about 4% from all-time highs. DIA, the Dow Jones, about 5.5% from all-time highs. And then we got the laggard, right? IWM. I'll get to that in a second. But SPY, right? As you can see, ever since early April, we have been in a daily uptrend. Okay, so it did fall out of this trend line, this upward trend line, but it has so much momentum behind it. It backtests this 200 daily moving average as well as that 21 daily moving average, 200 daily moving average crossover. So that's actually extremely bullish as long as it holds 580 area. You know, it will go back to all-time highs. As you can see, daily upper Bollinger Band slightly expanding. So not too much to say about it going down from here unless there's a catalyst. And we made money over here, man. Like I called out that there's going to be a pullback last week. If you watch my videos or if you're in the Discord, you're definitely prepared for that. You definitely want to make money on both sides, man. You don't want to be all in on one side, man. That's where you get fucked up. You want to be hedged as best to your advantage. Just real talk, man. If you want to figure out how to hedge yourself, make sure to tap in the link below and join the Discord, man. So as long as SPY holds 580, we do need to break this. It will go up to 595. Okay. And above 595, that will open the door to 600. Now, we break 580. Watch for a 570, watch for a 575 test, which would be that 21-day, 200-day moving average crossover. And if we fall below that, watch out for 560. We got 561 swing low currently. So below 580, watch for 575. Above 590, watch for 595. QQQ. This is the one leading the train, man. You never want to see SPY going up with QQQ lagging because that's divergence you do not want to see. It just leads to more confusion in the market. As you can see, this daily upper trend line has held, as well as the daily upper Bollinger Band expanding to damn near all-time highs. So I forecast this going to all-time highs. You just got to break above that 523, but 523 definitely going to touch that 528, which is actually a weekly downtrend swing lower high. So above 528, that opened a lot of doors for all-time highs. And what we need to hold truly So we do have a gap here, 510. We may test that gap in the near future, but we really just need 500 to hold here. Below 500, that's when we start seeing some selling. But below 500, we can see 490. DIA, big boy. You already know this is the Dow Jones, the slower moving index, but it's very important to have in your watch list as well. So we got a swing low of 411, which needs to hold right below 411. Definitely gonna come test that down trend line at about 400. But currently, just near term though, as long as it holds 420, we are gonna see 428, and above 428, we're gonna see 430. Okay, now below 418, we will likely see another test of that upward trend line at about 416, 21 daily moving average. So below 418, just watch for supports 416, 412, and 410. Now, this is what I wanted to talk to y'all about. So prior to that big drop in indices from February to April, IWM was already selling off since November. So IWM is going to play a big part in the future of these markets because Jerome Powell, if we get rate cuts, IWM will likely be flying to the moon. But so far, Jerome Powell is not too good on Trump's terms. So that's why you see IWM lagging so much, even though it's such a volatile ETF/index. Now, above 204 monthly support, we're going to see a test of that swing higher high, 210. Above 210, we can see 215. Now, if it reaches 215 around the time of all-time highs, just be wary of going long there because this is 15% from all-time high. It is just lagging overall, and that could be a great short opportunity at 215. But above 205, as long as it holds, it's going to test the daily higher high of 210, and then eventually up to 215. Below 205, we do have a gap at 203, which likely will be filled. Below 205, we got this gap at 203, and then below that, we have huge monthly support at 196. So watch out for that because we do have this swing low at 196. So just watch out for that. And then we got VIX, right? Slow rise last week. It did touch that 50 daily moving average along with that daily upper Bollinger Band. Technically, it is still in a downtrend on a daily. So where can it find some support? It is still below every daily moving average, so likely at that lower Bollinger Band, around that $15 area, and on the UVIX reciprocally, it'll likely test around that $19 area. It's at 22 right now. UVIX and VIX are all holding under all the daily moving averages. Okay. Then we got the dollar. It is bouncing up that lower daily Bollinger Band. Correct. Let me get rid of that. As long as $99 holds, likely goes and retests 100. Above 100, we can see 101. But below 99, it will test 98, swing low. And below 98, swing low. Expect a touch of the yearly support, $97 now. Now, if you want to become a pro trader like me, and not only master your charts, but master your mind, then lock in with me and tap in with the links below, man. Tstackz.cash. You know what to do. Leave a comment if you made money in the crash. Leave a comment if you made money in the pullback last week. It was great catching up with y'all in another video. See y'all tomorrow, boy.
T-Stackz Productions.
And I know that's what you want. 100 bands on my watch, 50K for the show. Wait, if a nigga try to reach on my chain, gotta tell a nigga stop. Possible, I'm up for putting in things. Put some respect on my name. I see you, baby. Oh, you thinking, oh, I see you, baby. I see you, baby. Like, oh, you thinking, oh, I see you, baby. I see you, baby.